Want to create a Roblox account on your iPhone but don't know how? Most people get stuck or miss a step without realizing it. But setting up your Roblox account is quick and easy. Let's create your Roblox account right now. First, open up the App Store app on your iPhone. Install the Roblox app from here. After installing, tap Open. Now tap Create Account. Here, choose your birth month, day, and year. After that, enter a unique username here. Roblox will tell you if the username is taken or invalid. Then select your gender. After that, tap Continue. Now create a password. Choose a strong password. Try to use letters, numbers, and symbols. Then tap Done. And here, your account is opened. To add an email, tap on the More or 3 dots icon below. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Settings. Then tap on Account Info. Here you can see an option called Add Email Next to Email Address. Tap on it. Here, enter your active email address. Then mark the box, and then tap the Add Email button. Now a verification email will be sent to your mail inbox. So, go to the Mail app. Open the inbox. Now tap on the Roblox email verification mail. Then tap the Verify Email button. Now go to the Roblox app. Tap on the More option again. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Settings. Then tap on Account Info. Here, you can see that your email address has been verified. If you are seeing the pending verification, then force close your app by swiping up, and then reopen the app and check again. So folks, this is how you can create a Roblox account on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.